The scars of war are still evident in many parts of the Sudanese capital, 11 months since the army wrestled back Khartoum from the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces. The daunting task of rebuilding has been slowly progressing as more returnees continue streaming in.
The war has profoundly impacted Khartoum state. The indiscriminate bombing by the Rapid Support Forces, targeting industrial areas, institutions and infrastructure, has significantly contributed to pollution. During the bombing of the Al Jaili refinery, there was major air pollution.
Even state institutions that serve to protect human health and the environment were affected. Officials say the only environmental laboratory in the capital was destroyed and vandalized, and the cost of reconstruction will exceed $500,000. Before the conflict, it analyzed treated wastewater, monitored White Nile water quality, and tested bottled water from local factories.
The environmental laboratory suffered complete and total destruction as a result of the building being burned, equipment being damaged, theft, and other factors.
Cleanup campaigns have been underway in Khartoum, focusing on waste removal and environmental sanitation. On top of sewage, the Nile River and waterways were polluted from the dumping of decomposing bodies.
There was significant environmental pollution. The water was contaminated with sewage, which was extremely bad, but people were forced to drink it. You're forced to drink the water. The situation is much better now. The militias have left. People have returned to their normal lives and the water is safe again.
Experts say the three cities of Khartoum, Omdurman and Bari, which make up the capital area, will require an extensive environmental survey after warring parties used prohibited weapons in residential areas. The government is still working to improve safety conditions across the state.
They have identified all the destroyed vehicles in the streets and moved them to designated areas. They have also removed debris using specialized incinerators, as well as mines, hazardous materials, bodies and other refuse.
The UN Migration Agency says over 1.3 million people have made the journey back to Khartoum in the last several months. Many of them are families with children, with an estimated 55% of returnees said to be minors. David Midi, CGTN.